Look at these pretty Strelitzia seeds. My favourite waste of time was standing under a Strelitzia tree. Look, these are pretty aren't they gorgeous just to look at? They're bird of paradise trees, seeds. They're the tree at Centennial Park in Sydney. They used to have these beautiful tall birds of paradise, just like the ones that people grow in their gardens, those little tiny ones, except they're giant ones. And I think they have the ones in people's gardens, the tiny ones, are orange and blue, aren't they? I think the giant ones, what colour are they? I'm not sure now. They're related to bananas. Look at those gorgeous seeds. How pretty they are. Yes, they used to have giant bird of paradise trees in Centennial Park, Sydney. I don't know if they're still there. It says Strelitzia nicolai. They're enormous. They're enormous, those trees, compared to the tiny ones that people have in their gardens. What colour were they? Were they white and black? I'm not sure, the flowers. These were the seed growing tips. Remove the orange fluff from the seeds if it is present, as this may inhibit germination. Cover the seeds with hot water and comfortable to your hand, not scalding, and leave for 48 hours. I did all that. Some months ago. Rats love to eat Strelitzia seeds. Rats love to eat them. I should be careful. We have rats around our place. Rats love to eat Strelitzia seeds. So I soaked them in water. I soaked them in hot water, yes. And they were given the hot water treatment. And some came up in pots. I'll show you now. They're not cold hardy. They can't stand the frost. Some were killed by the frost. The pots that I left outside, they were killed. But they'll make nice indoor plants. They will. A bit like an aspidistra, or a bit like a banana plant. So here we are. Here's a Strelitzia come up from a seed. Does look a bit like an aspidistra, doesn't it? And it also looks like, well, it's related to a banana, I think, I read online. So, that did all right from a seed. I gave it the hot water treatment. Look at that. It can grow into a really big potted plant. If I ever get a cottage by the sea, I'll take it with me. I can grow it in the ground. It's too cold out this way. I should get a cottage by the sea, shouldn't I? Beautiful. My Strelitzia jungle, my bird of paradise jungle. Gorgeous leaves, tropical. Look at the sunlight through them. I'll be glad when my fernery is finished soon. I can keep all my tropicals in the fernery and I won't have to worry about them getting too cold anymore or not getting enough light. There's another one I grew from seeds, so the seeds do come up and they did survive the hot water treatment. There we have it. You're going to turn into a tree. Well.